Hi everyone, now we will have a look at the RSF analysis, and RSF stands for the relative size factor. So let's take the payment demo as an example, and the RSF analysis is on this tile with some of the lines, bars, and some circles here, like this pattern. The RSF analysis will find unusually large payments compared with the average size of payments per vendor. It will find outliers from normal payment range per vendor. So the relative size factor is calculated by dividing the largest payment found for each vendor by the average payment of that vendor. And in the RSF tile, in the dashboard, vendor with the highest RSF values will be displayed along with a color-coded wheel depicting the magnitude of the value. The more red is, and that means the higher the RSF factor is. So this color is range from green to red. And so, what are some of the typical scenarios that we can use the RSF test to find out? So, like some decimal point error, like every month a payment of $300 is made for the charity, but by mistake the decimal is not typed. So maybe it's 30,000 goes as a donation. So that's a huge amount. And sometimes there's some communication error, like a monthly payment for $750 has to be made. The company decides to pay $9,000 in advance in a month where they have already exceeded their profit targets. The communication of the annual payment does not go out, and the company keeps paying the monthly amount. And sometimes it's like the conversion factor, like bottoms are converted to kilograms and ordered. For example, 10, 10,000 bottoms will be 1 kilo. This conversation is forgotten, and 10,000 kilograms of bottoms are ordered. So here the invoice value will be very much larger than the average value of an payments for that particular vendor. And also like additional digit, one additional digit gets typed in by mistakes. So this will all be detected by the RSF payment value.